You, but say, imagine trying so hard to keep your relationship private, specifically your partner, to keep him away from social media, and then you wake up one day, he is all over social media. Hi, your family. Welcome to all trending Mzansi. But see, Lerato Nxumalo, we've all have seen her. Yes, she was so public about her relationship and her being in love. But one thing for sure, Lerato Nxumalo kept her partner private up until the partner became her husband. But they recently shared a note last month and everyone was congratulating her. Even the people who attended her wedding, but no one linked the pictures of her husband until Musa Khawula posted on his Twitter account revealing Lerato Nxumalo's husband. Yo, this is indeed shocking. I can imagine how Lerato is currently feeling because she is a public person, but she's all over social media. But she always maintained that her relationship, or rather the person that she's in a relationship with, should be kept private. What if this guy does not even want to be in a public platform, or rather, she's doing a job that does not allow him to be all over social media for safety reasons, and then you have Musa Khawula who have just decided to reveal him? Or maybe Lerato preferred her husband to be a secret, just for her and her family and close friends only, not for public views. Where Nkosiami, I wonder how she is actually handling this and how she's going to handle this. But because what kind of a betrayal is this? Please do leave your comments down below. But it will be quite interesting to hear your views on this one. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Catch you on my next one. Bye.